Hello. Generally, parents complain about children. They get frustrated. They say, "Oh, I got frustrated. I'm annoyed." But every parent dream about their children becoming a scientist. Every parent dream about his children becoming a sportsman. Every parent dream about becoming a great businessman. Yes, they dream a good. They dream a lot. It's good. Dreaming is good. But how to make the dream come true? Yes, that's the challenge. And here we, the Silians, we Silians bring this program and we make them enjoy, we enjoy doing this. So just make your children join our program. It is SILI SILI. Join our program and we bring out the skills out of them. Note down the mail ID to send us mail at siliassets@gmail.com. SILI SILI ASSETS assets@gmail.com. Goodbye.